Okay guys, today we will be doing house tour. As you can see by the title. My house is not completely done. By the way, sorry for the noise in the background, but my house is not completely done. So I'm just gonna, I have $431 and I'm saving up for the car. So I'll just show you around and show some things around some stuff in the house, what it looks like. So let's go. Oh yeah, do they know what game this is? Yes. Okay, so this is my brother's bedroom. He doesn't have Bloxburg yet, but he will. So this is his bedroom. I don't think I have enough outfit yet. Alright. Anyway. Okay, let's close this. Sorry, my brother's making a bit of noise. I don't know why I have that if I have that. So I can read a book. Wait. Okay, here we go. How do I get this out? How do I unread a book? Damn it. Okay, so we checked out my brother's room. This is the bathroom where I'll be brushing my teeth. I'm washing hands and doing my business, Alright, flush toilet, okay. So then let's move on upstairs. Nothing here. We were gonna move a bedroom up here, but change of plans. Nothing here either. Look at that house over there. Mine looks way better. Anyway, I do have a game pass for this. Sorry, my brother's making a lot of noise in the bathroom. I mean, not the bathroom beside me. So, I do have a game pass for this game. It's a multi-floor, obviously. Anyway, so then we're going sliding door into the living room. I chose the garage to be a living room because in summer you could have the garage door open, and I chose his lights because you can turn them on and off in your yard, driveway and stuff. So what I'm planning to do is put pillars here, build like a roof, like a gazebo kind of in front. I'm also thinking to make a backyard, so that's outside. And then here's my bedroom. So here's my computer. E-block, okay. Outside, my poster, my picture. I don't know why I have makeup, I just say it's cologne. And I can read, but I'm not gonna read. So yeah, that's pretty much my house. I think I should make this video longer. It's only been 4 minutes. Yeah, I'll do some work. Okay, let's go fisherman. No, actually we'll do... Whoa. No. Delivery. Oh, I died there. Sorry, guys. Bloxburg is 25 Robux to get in, but it's totally worth it. Like, it's very realistic. Next next game pass I'm gonna get is, let's see here, excellent employee, because you get like a lot of money. No, large plot maybe.
Multiple floors. What's that?
I already have it. You can have more than one floor.
In your house?
Yeah, I already have it though. I wish I got, because I barely use the second and third floor, so I wish I got, what's it called, premium and,
What does that do?
I honestly don't know. I wish I got premium and, what's premium or, excellent employee. Oh my god, I honestly hate going all the way over here. Click, click, click. Oh my god, where'd my body go? My pin fell out. Vaccine fine. I like her pants. Those are really nice pants. Okay. Oh god, can I get out of here, please? Yes. Yeah. No. You're bullcrap. Mommy! Bloxburg! Oh god, please don't. He's getting shift. She like won the liver, like, or actually two of it. It's a lot of money. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna do fisherman to get you guys like to know all these jobs and what to do in Luxembourg. I will also do like building something, like to teach you guys how to build, like place stuff, and delete stuff, and color stuff. Oh god, I'm tired and starving.
Like in what?
Okay, be quiet, Jackson. I'm just gonna take. Alright, I'm gonna go play on my computer before I go to bed. Alright, let's write a book. Am I having fun? Writing books are no fun. Let's watch. Playing ping pong is my favorite. Friends of bloxburg. Oh god, what am I doing? Let's read these. Oh, news. Breaking news. Oh god. A guy is trying to blow up Bloxburg. Oh my god! Alright, well, I'm going to bed. Alright, let's go. Okay, I wish my friends were here. I guess I have no friends. Kidding, I have lots. Alright, I'm gonna enter the. Alright, I honestly don't like to hear that music. Well, actually. Growing roof, windows. No, I want vehicles yet. 12,000. Oh, I'm negative. Alright. Stop, Jackson. My brother. Enough!
Shut up.
You.
You're gonna ruin your vlog.
It's not a vlog, you stupid Dumbo.
I'm being flipping sarcastic.
Stop swearing! Oh my god.
Do you?
No.
Move up.
No.
Go. Come on.
You're ruining this.
Okay, let me take a video.
You're so stupid, guys.
I'm not gonna talk.
Be quiet.
Shut up, you're doing like that.
I don't care. Okay, let's do fisherman. I'm planning to record for 4 or 5 minutes. I have like the Maverick like.
Are you recording right now? How do I make me a noob? How do I
Why do you want to be a noob?
I'm creating an outfit that makes me look like a noob. So like people
I don't know anybody who wants to be a noob.
No, like one of those suits that will like
I honestly rather be
I know.
rich in Robux than me. Why the hell? It always does this to me. I made $20. Yay, guys.
Yay, guys.
Yay, guys. I made $20 on bloxburg.
Why do I look like this?
Bacon hair.
This would be my
Shout out to all the bacon hairs. Psych note. I honestly like my hair right here. Alright. I bet you guys are getting bored here, so like, might as well end it here. Well, some of you like working, so I'll one more minute. Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. Hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what games we should be playing. What kind of games you like. Subscribe, like, comment, anything you want.